Okay, so these are live images that we're getting to you on our screens there from the Delhi Secretariat, because any moment now Parvesh Verma will also be taking charge. Considering the Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has officially taken charge, next in line is Parvesh Verma. And you can see him seated there along with Manjinder Singh Sirsa. There's a lot of focus, of course, on Parvesh Verma, the giant slayer. Everyone assumed that he was the front runner for the CM position. There were questions about whether he was miffed that he wasn't made the Chief Minister. But he's maintained all through that he is very much in line with the BJP's decision, and that the fact that he is now being made a cabinet minister is something that he feels immensely proud of. Okay, you can see live images now of a setup being done for a press conference. It looks like Rekha Gupta is getting set to brief the media, so we'll get you those live images and updates as well. This will be her first briefing after becoming the Chief Minister of Delhi. Let's cut across live as she gets set to address the press.
साइलेंट हो जाओ यार, साइलेंट। एक मिनट पहले मैं बोल लेती हूँ। क्वेश्चन कोई नहीं है, मैं अपनी स्टेटमेंट दूंगी, क्वेश्चन कोई नहीं लेंगे, ठीक है प्लीज। तो कृपया कोई क्वेश्चन ना ले। भारत माता की जय। सभी साथियों को नमस्कार। आज की शपथ ग्रहण के बाद, हमारे शपथ ग्रहण कार्यक्रम के बाद आज हमने इस चार्ज को भी लिया है। आज हम सचिवालय में आके मुख्यमंत्री कार्यालय में मैंने चार्ज भी संभाल लिया है, और शाम को तुरंत आज की डेट में कैबिनेट की मीटिंग भी रख ली गई है। जो मिशन विकसित दिल्ली का है उसको पूरा करने के लिए लगातार काम किया जाएगा, एक भी दिन उसमें से व्यर्थ नहीं होगा, और एक एक कमिटमेंट जो हमारी दिल्ली से है उसे पूरा करेंगे। आप सबका स्वागत है। इससे पहले कभी आप इस कमरे में नहीं आए होंगे। आज इस सीएम कार्यालय के द्वार आप लोगों के लिए खुले हैं। बहुत बहुत स्वागत। जरूर मिलेगी एंट्री, आप ही का है, जरूर है। एजेंडा मिलके तय करेंगे। मीटिंग के समय जब बैठेंगे तो एजेंडा भी आपको पता चलेगा। 7 बजे 5 बजे यमुना घाट पे आरती के लिए हम लोग जाएंगे, और 7 बजे कैबिनेट मीटिंग।
So, brief statement there from Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. She puts out her vision for Delhi, saying that the first cabinet meet, which will be happening tonight, is going to focus on just one issue, which is to ensure that Delhi becomes Viksit Delhi. Completely developed Delhi is, in fact, Rekha Gupta's big focus. Shreya Chatterjee is live with us for more details from the Delhi Secretariat. Brief message from Rekha Gupta. Shreya, essentially putting the spotlight on what she wants to focus on in this cabinet meeting, which is a Viksit Delhi, as she puts it.
Well, absolutely. You know, Rekha Gupta has been harping about the fact that all the promises that's been made by the BJP will essentially be the top focus. And that's exactly what has happened. She's taken a seat on that chair, the chair of the Delhi Chief Minister. She's addressed the media, and a very nice statement where she said that this CM's room was not open for the media, but now this room has been open for all of you. So that's a very interesting statement that has come in from Rekha Gupta, and I'll show you the visuals. You can see all the ministers also sitting over here. You can see Parvesh Verma, you can see Manjinder Singh Sirsa, you can see Pankaj Singh. All of them, they are here. This is, their first visuals from the Delhi Secretariat after taking charge. And clearly, this is what sets the ball for the Bharatiya Janata Party. They have made really hefty promises and they will have to live up to those. And that's really the kind of thing that's expecting on the lines from all the ministers that you see lined up over here inside the Delhi Secretariat. Shortly from here, they will be moving to the Vasudev Ghat for a Yamuna Aarti. Subsequently at 7 p.m, Akshita, we will be seeing a meeting that will be happening, which is the cabinet meeting. Followed by that, there will also be a cabinet briefing. And as I was talking to you earlier, that in all likelihood that this meeting that you're talking about will be seeing the rolling out of the Ayushman Bharat scheme. It will be seeing the rolling out of the promises made to the women, 2,500. That will be happening as well. So very interesting time lies ahead. The ball sets for the Bharatiya Janata Party, who's won the national capital with a 48 majority.
All right, Shreya, thanks very much for getting us that live update. 5 p.m. is when Rekha Gupta, along with all of her cabinet ministers, will be visiting the Yamuna Ghat and witnessing the Yamuna Aarti as well.